Mom in a weird place.
Did you hide some?
Let me see. Grayson's?
Yeah. Did you hide some of them?
Oh yeah, we haven't opened them all. I told her, I said, we're going to wait for Daddy because
hello.
it's sad if we don't.
Merry Christmas. Hey, Stinker.
Like
what you doing? Hello, Joshua.
I was going to be like,
what you doing, big boy? Good morning.
Yeah.
What you say? Hello. Big boy, what you doing? Yes.
I didn't know if he was plowing.
Yeah.
Like, oh, baby, I need to go by.
You feeling all right this morning? You had a little tumble yesterday, huh? Yeah.
That's for Mommy and Daddy.
Oh, Joshua. Joshua, what you doing? What you say? What you doing, little stinker? Smile at me. What you doing?
I'll take some ibuprofen.
I'm gonna get you. I'll get you.
Stop pooping.
You pooping? Oh, is that what you're doing?
Let's see what else you got.
You're pooping.
Grayson, you want to eat some oatmeal? Yeah.
Hungry?
Wait, Joshua. You get hungry?
That was his poopy face. He's pooping. He's a pooping. Joshua's a pooping. What'd you say? Hey. What are you doing? I'm gonna get you, Joshua. I'm gonna get you. Look at you holding your head up. Look at you holding your head up, you little bobblehead. You little bobblehead. You're a bobblehead. Yes, you are. He's so sweet. Yes, you are. Good morning. Good morning, Joshua. He's almost wanting to smile at me.
He's got all kinds of eye buggies. I can see that. Let's go clean your eyes off. That's what I've been doing. Are you recording?
Are those all Mommy's?
Here you go.
Those are whose?
Those are mostly Grayson's, and that was from Grandma.
Oh.
For Grayson and Mommy.
That's your little cooking kit.
Yeah.
Grayson, want to eat some oatmeal?
A little apron with a name on it.
Oh, got an apron.
Yeah, let's go have some breakfast.
Oh.
Because I know you're hungry. You should have eaten raw